Welcome. This is Self-Hypnosis Goddess. Today, we are officially closing the door on the version of you who asks for permission. We are stepping into the crown matrix. This is the specific frequency where you stop auditioning for your life and you simply assume the position of the monarch. However, declaring yourself as a queen for 7 minutes is different from ruling every day. If you want to print this identity into your spine so it never wavers, you need the Self-Crowned Series 1 protocol. It is a full biological coronation, morning, day and night, that I created just for you. The keys to the queendom are in the description. Now take a breath and let's begin. I open the gates to the life I design. The stars and the power are finally mine. I step into radiance. I step into light. I claim all my glory and claim my birthright. I wake as the queen with the world at my feet. My spirit is sovereign, my power complete. I walk with a confidence deep in my bone. I honor myself and I sit on my throne. I radiate beauty that pulls in all near. The vision I hold is becoming so clear. I am the magnet for everything good. It happens exactly the way that it should. The gold and the luxury flow to my hand. I rule over everything inside my land. Abundance is normal. It's easy to breathe. I am the woman who learns to receive. My highest vibration is where I reside, with effortless confidence deep on inside. I live in the magic, I make it my home, a queen on a throne, wherever I roam. My word is the law, and my feeling is true. The universe loves everything I do. My presence is potent, my signal is strong. I know in my soul where exactly I belong. I breathe in the stillness, I move with such grace. I claim my position, it's okay to take up space. I am the architect, building it new. The version of me who is chosen and true. The era is now, and the crown is on me. I am the woman I always wanted to be. I lock in the feeling of power and bliss. I was born for a lifetime exactly like this.